Pipila ka mga adlaw na been out of the country and been to a place where Christianity is minority. So I'm referring to a country, a Muslim country. And I happened to share with an old man who happened to work in that country, but no longer this time. And he is now back here in the Philippines. And usa sa mo mag-istoryahan tungod kay I was able to ask him, how come for so long time working here, you don't have the PR or the permanent residence? Ingon niya, Father, there was a time din I am about to have that document. Almost 1 year na lang kulang to have that document. But an officer asked him, why would you not change your name? And changing name, naibot ipasabot. And he said, why should I change my name? I love my name, and that's it. But brothers and sisters, changing his name, meaning convert into Islam. He has to change his name, meaning he has to be converted for him to have the document permanent residence. Ako ka nang nahinumduman tungod kay karon, we are celebrating the Red Wednesday, commemorating the blood of our brothers and sisters who died just because of this faith. Who died to tell people that this is the church that I am willing to die for. Mao nga ang mga simbahan karon all over the Philippines and all over the world gi-encourage to have lights o blood, red. Pagpadayag nga kining atong simbahan karon bunga kini sa mga tao nga bisan ang ilang dugo giula, and to have this church for us today. We might be thinking those martyrs, pero daghan biya mga tao nga nahimong martyr, white martyrs, nga bisan kung wala sila gipatay sa mga gitawag nato nga dili Christian o non-Catholics, pero sa mga problema sa kinabuhi, makapangutana o mawad-an og paglaom nga, am I on the right church? Am I on the right thing of believing or right track of believing the Lord dying for me? Or am I on the right track of believing that I have a mother named Mary? Tungod sa mga problema nato sa kinabuhi, pero niya kita karon, nagmalaho tayon, ug mituo kita, nga kita, we are on the right track. And if we have to tackle a little bit of our gospel reading today, and taken from Luke chapter 21, verses 12 to 19, nagpasabot kini sa mga kalisdanan unya, sa iyang mga tinun-an, ug gani nagpasabot kini nga pinaagi ni ini makasangyaw, and it was true. The diaspora, because these early Christians were persecuted. Because they were persecuted, they were forced to leave their lands and go to a foreign land nga wa nila may bawi. There, gigamit sila sa Dios nga ang ilang pagtuo ma-share ngadto sa uban. And we have even those followers now on online, our brothers and sisters working abroad, nga nagtudlo sa mga bata, nagtudlo sa mga silingan, not the so-called nga mga missionaries sent by the church, but sent by the situation. Nga they have to look for a greener pasture. They're looking for money just to support their family here in the Philippines. But sa niana nga pamaagi, nahimo silang magsasangyaw sa ilang nga pagtuo nga nadawat, pagtuo nga Katoliko. Muna nga niya ato sa gihinumduman. But for all of us here present, and those who are following us online, nagpasabot kini an inspiration for all of us that we are on the right church, Whatever would be the difficulties, the trials, think about those, our parents, grandparents, unag-una ka nato, nga niining mong simbahan nga ilang gipundar, ni kita karon. We might be thinking of a church like this. Gitawag nato kini Kyriakos in Greek term, a building. But we have a church, and another term of the church, ecclesia, the people of God believing. We are the church, and we continue to build this church, share this faith to our brothers and sisters, to our children. Yes, people were so good in those years, and even up till today, for building us the Kyriakos, meaning the building, the house of worship. But in one way or another, kita mismo, we share this faith to others. Ecclesia, the people of God gathers, the people of God gathered together, having one faith, a Roman Catholic faith. Mga niini, it is an inspiration for all of us as we look back to those people who died for this church, that we continue to share and even be proud of this faith to others, because we are on the right track, tested by time, 1,000 years ago. So we remember those people who are ahead of us, dying for this church, that in one way or another, we also die for this church. Might not be the dying that they were experiencing, but when we survive of all these questions, am I on the right church? Does God exist? That Jesus really, in my times sa mga kalisdanan iya kong tabangan, do I really have a mother na kanunay nagtanaw sa iyang anak? Yes, we are on the right church. And continue to do this. Share this church to others. Kaya ni anang pagiha, we will be or will become one of those persecuted Christians. Palihog sa pagtindog.